Is it time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we will explore Nvidia in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 3rd of March, 2025, and now we are here to offer you a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and comprehensive analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 21st of February, 2025, our system has identified Nvidia as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 6.95. Now let's examine the stock's performance over this time frame. The stock has experienced a decline of 15.13%. This amounts to an average daily loss of 2.16% since it was categorized as a strong sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within the lower range of a wide and downward trend in the short term. This scenario typically presents an attractive buying opportunity. Should the lower trend threshold of $112.58 be breached, it will initially signal a more pronounced decline. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 8.24% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return fluctuating between negative 9.43% and 11.50%. In terms of a longer outlook, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 53.07%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 53.07% and 111.42% over the next year. Translated into current values, this suggests that the future price could range from $174.59 to $241.15. Our latest daily update for Nvidia includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Nvidia Stock Price on Monday, moving between 112 and 123.7. The Nvidia stock price fell by 8.69% on the last day, which was Monday, the 3rd of March, 2025, from 124.92 to 114.06. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 10.14%, ranging from a day low of 112.31 to a day high of 123.70. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 17.85% during this period. Volume increased on the last day by 23 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 406 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $46.26 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was 153.13 and the lowest was 75.61. Currently, the price stands at 25.51%, or 39.07, below the 52-week high of 153.13, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Nvidia's stock is experiencing significant turbulence today, plunging by nearly 9% amid a confluence of unsettling news. One of the primary catalysts for this drop is a report highlighting concerns that Nvidia's artificial intelligence chips are reaching China through third-party channels, which contravenes export controls. This situation raises fears over compliance and potential future regulatory scrutiny. Additionally, overarching tariff announcements by President Trump are amplifying investor anxiety, pushing Nvidia shares further into correction territory. Despite previously strong earnings reports, market sentiment is weighing heavily on Nvidia. Investors are reassessing risks as the semiconductor sector grapples with these new challenges. Moreover, prominent analysts suggest that events like the introduction of DeepSeek AI may represent a formidable competitive challenge to Nvidia, labeling it a shot across the bow. This sentiment, combined with a broader downturn in artificial intelligence stocks, contributes to a compounded negative outlook for Nvidia. In the short term, these factors are likely to suppress share prices as traders react to immediate fears and uncertainties. In contrast, the long-term implications remain more complex, as Nvidia continues to occupy a critical position in advancements in artificial intelligence and semiconductor technology. If the company successfully navigates these regulatory challenges and maintains its competitive edge, recovery could be on the horizon. However, current conditions are certainly testing investor confidence. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, February 26, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Nvidia an overweight rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, February 26, 2025, Tigress Financial also granted Nvidia a buy rating with a hold action. On Sunday, February 2, 2025, Citigroup reported a buy rating for Nvidia, accompanied by a hold action. On Monday, January 13, 2025, HSBC provided a buy rating for Nvidia, along with a hold action. On Thursday, January 9, 2025, Oppenheimer issued an outperform rating for Nvidia, coupled with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Nvidia stock a general buy rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Nvidia. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence near-term development. The Nvidia stock currently shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between the two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance will be encountered at the levels of $125.93 and $131.20. A breakthrough above any of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 20, 2025, and so far, the stock has declined by 18.59%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased as prices fell yesterday, which could serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 8 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 23 days ago. The short-term moving average signaled a sell 8 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 4 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a sell signal 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 20 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia. There is currently no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under the right conditions, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock typically shows average daily movements, and coupled with solid trading volume, the risk is assessed as medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $11.39 between its highest and lowest points, which is a movement of 10.14%. In the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 7.74%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Nvidia, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors expect significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 28th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 91 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can greatly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nvidia. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nvidia is at $118.42. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There's no significant support from accumulated volume below scrawler, which means the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you're an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for Nvidia from multiple analyst sources is buy. Now let us examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Puri Ajay K, who bought and sold 36,606 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 90.503. Overall, insiders purchased 99,852 shares and sold 8,102,378 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and we have not established a stop loss. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? Nvidia indicates several negative signals and is currently within a broad and declining trend, suggesting that its performance may remain weak in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we have assigned a negative evaluation to this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our assessment from a sell to a strong sell candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 4th of March, we anticipate that Nvidia will open higher by $2.63, starting at $116.69. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment decision. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with best wishes from all of us here at Stock Invest.